Hi, welcome everyone to Chef Live YouTube channel. Today we are going to make cake pops. This is the ingredients. Let's see: vanilla essence, salt, lemon juice, egg white, custard sugar, and water and soft butter. We are going to make sugar soft boil. So 180 degree. We are going to boil now until the bubbles come. Add vanilla essence. Add pinch of salt. Lemon juice. We are going to mix cake crumbs and buttercream. You can see already mixed, so we are going to remove now. Look how the way we are making. Chef Hasanka. We always like. Now we are going to put in the freezer. We need it around 20 minutes. When it gets ready, you can remove it. Melted milk chocolate for the dipping. Let's see, now cake pop is ready. Very easy to dip with chocolate. So let's see how we're going to dip the chocolate. Now we are going to dip